Lindsay Widmeyer, Tinton Falls. Lindsay Widmeyer, Tinton Falls. Lindsay Widmeyer is from Tinton Falls. She's a sophomore at Brookdale Community College. She enjoys modeling, extreme sports, and volunteering for people and animals. She is Lindsay Widmeyer. This is it, ladies and gentlemen. Your time to influence the judges just one more time. Thank you, ladies. We will see you shortly in the evening gown competition. Lindsay hopes to one day start her own interior design company. She's a self-taught pianist. She loves to travel and learn about different cultures, like skateboarding, surfing, and snowboarding. She is Lindsay Widmeyer. One more round.